Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the vocabulary of those things which are used or kept in a classroom. So let's start the video. The first word is jarur. Jarur. In English it is known as drawer and in Urdu it is known as daraz. Jarur. The second word is maq'ad. Maq'ad. In English and Urdu, it is known as bench. Maq'ad. The next word is kharita. Kharita. In English, it is known as map, and in Urdu, it is known as naqsha. Kharita. The next word is tabaqa. Tabaqa. In English, it is known as desk, and in Urdu, it is also known as desk. Tabaqa. Tabaqa. The next word is laiha. Laiha. In English, it is known as timetable, and in Urdu, it is also known as timetable. Laiha. The next word is qamus. Qamus. In English, it is known as dictionary, and in Urdu, it is known as lughat. Qamus. The next word is qa'imatu kutub. Qa'imatu kutub. In English, it is known as list of books, and in Urdu, it is known as fahriste kutub. Qa'imatu kutub. Next word is mujallad. Mujallad. In English, it is known as folder, and in Urdu, it is known as jild shuda kitab. Mujallad. The next word is khatm. Khatm. In English, it is known as stamp, and in Urdu, it is known as mohr. Khatm. The next word is maskaturisha. Maskaturisha. In English, it is known as holder, and in Urdu, it is also known as holder. Maskaturisha. The next word is mahfala. Mahfala. In English, it is known as bag, and in Urdu, it is known as basta. Mahfala. The next word is tabashir. Tabashir. In English, it is known as chalk, and in Urdu, it is also known as chalk. Tabashir. The next word is kitabu qira'ah. Kitabu qira'ah. In English, it is known as reading books, and in Urdu, it is known as darsi kitab. Kitabu qira'ah. The next word is daftaru jaib. Daftaru jaib. In English, it is known as pocketbook, and in Urdu, it is known as copy. Daftaru jaib. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.